Welcome to Glenshaw Auto Service. We're glad that you found us, and if it's your first time with us, here are a few tips to help you take advantage of all of our services we have to offer. Scheduling your appointment is easy. Call us Monday through Thursday, 7:30 to 5:30 p.m. and Friday, 7:30 to 5 p.m. Or you can reserve your appointment 24/7 in less than 30 seconds with our online booking. We make getting your car serviced very convenient. Whether you're scheduling our pickup drop-off service, requesting one of our very convenient courtesy vehicles to borrow for the duration of service, or taking advantage of our shuttle service to take you where you need to go. There is a flexibility in our no-cost courtesy services. We'll make regular maintenance and unexpected repairs fit easily into your busy schedule. Once our technicians have assessed your vehicle, we will text or email your digital health report for review. This multi-point status report addresses your initial concern and also provides a snapshot of your general health of your vehicle. Once you have received and reviewed your report, please give us a call and a team member will discuss your report with you and answer any questions you may have. Our goal is to educate you on the benefits of regular maintenance to keep your vehicle safe and running at optimal performance, as well as save you the surprise and costly repairs down the road. We stand by our work, and our service is backed by a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on most of our parts. Picking up your vehicle is quick and easy. You can pay in person or conveniently on our website. At Glenshaw Auto Service, we are committed to performing the highest quality auto repair and services. Our priority is total customer satisfaction and quality work at reasonable rates. Book your appointment today